Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning that how we can add posts from WordPress admin panel. So I have already opened my link. This is basically my website, gayatricomputeronics.com, and this is the admin dashboard. You can see here. So we will learn that how we can add posts from WordPress admin panel and how it will be seen in front end. Let's proceed with this. We can see here that all post submenu, and this is a menu. So what first of all we need to do this, just click on this. Once this page loads, I can see here that one post is visible. So I will just delete this post for now, and we'll look from scratch at how we can add posts. I will just select all and just click on delete permanently, apply. All right, and now we can see here add new. Some menu link is here, so just click on that. All right, and now we need to add title here. So let's take an example, test blog. So this is the title of our blog. Below this test blog we can see here one add block icon. Simply click on this. We need to select paragraph. Basically our content for this blog will be a paragraph. So here we can write it down like I am just showing you to how to add blocks. So I will just use a test block descriptions. Basically, so have your business websites, you have different blogs. So you can write down that description to here. I am just simply writing down, hello, this is a test blog and we are learning that how we can add blog from WordPress admin panel. This WordPress admin panel, we can also call it as a back office, or you can say it as a back office. All right. Now if we see, if we just click on publish, again publish. Okay, now here we can see the message that post published. You can also click here to visit your post, and what I will do, I will just open in new tab. Okay, I am not able to see my post here. I must have done some settings. Let me check. Okay, so if you want your post to be seen in your front page, basically in this page, what you need to do is you will need to select your latest post and click on save changes. If I just reload my website, I can see here my first post is here. So this is the title of my post and this is a description. So like this way you can add more posts here, and if you click on all posts you will see the test blog is here. Post can be categorized, like if you have several posts and you need to categorize those posts. So what you will be doing, click on categories, and suppose I have 4 categories in my website. One is the WordPress. Let's take an example. Just create one category, WordPress. Another one is Angular JS. Just create, add new category. The third one, let's suppose take Ionic, add new category. So what I will be doing, I will be creating one post for each categories, and let's see how it looks in our website. I will just go on all posts, or you just click on add new. You need to uh, again visit all posts, click on add new. Okay, now I will suppose take an example, WordPress test blog, WordPress. So this is basically a blog uh, which I will just assign it to WordPress category. So select paragraph. I will just write a description here. Hello, this is a test blog, WordPress, which is from WordPress category. That's it. Just click on publish. Okay, from here we can see our post. Why I cannot see my post? See, if I am just clicking on the blog link, so I cannot see my post. Why is this so? Because actually I have done some settings in my code file, so there is not a problem. I will be showing you how we can achieve this to display here. First of all, let's create all our posts from admin panel. Okay, this was the test block. Another one we created for WordPress category basically. But if you see here, I haven't to select any categories. What I will be doing here, I will just click on this test block WordPress again. Actually you have to do this at the very beginning once you are creating this block. So how can we achieve that? Here we can see categories. Just click on this, just select WordPress, click on update, click on this icon. Now I can see here this blog is assigned to WordPress category. So basically we don't need this uncategorized category. Can again go to here. I am showing you in a very explanation steps. uh, I also would have done this at once, but why I am showing you like again visiting to this admin panel, so that you can understand in a very better way. Just click on document, just unselect this uncategorized category and just click on update. All right, now click on this. So now we can see this blog is categorized to WordPress category. Now we will create another blog and assign it to Angular category. If you remember it, we had created 3 categories. So this is a test blog Angular. So this is a title for Angular blog. We'll create a add block paragraph here. Now we will just write the description here. Hello, this is a test blog Angular from Angular category. That's it for now. Just click on document, just select Angular JS category, click on publish. Great. Now just again come here, click on add new. Now one post we will be adding for Ionic, test blog Ionic. Just click here, paragraph. Hello, this is a test blog Ionic from Ionic category. Publish. All right, so we can see here that we have created all these posts. So this one uncategorized, which we just created at first, we can just delete this, because we have already 3 posts which are assigned to 3 categories basically. So test blog Ionic, we just missed to assign a category. Just do this. Okay. Oh, one thing actually, creating my website. So one setting I have done in my code file. So basically, you don't need to learn this, because it is a programmatically. If you are a developer, then it's good. If you are not a developer, then you may skip this part. So actually, I will be doing some stuff here. Okay, so I have already logged into my control panel. So my website is basically, I have purchased a domain from SiteGround. So I'm using Hello Elementor theme basically. So what I have done here, I have just deleted all those stuff for basically uh, for some purpose. So I will just copy this code and just paste it here. If you are not a developer, you can skip this part. I am telling this again because it can be a very confusion for you. All right, now coming to here, if I will just refresh this page, so I can see here test blog Ionic. Oh, previously what it was, let's see. So like this, our post was not visible here. So must remember that this whatever themes you will be using, this single.php file, you will have this code. So it was me that I have just deleted all this stuff, because I don't need it when I was just creating a website, was doing some other stuff. I'll just close this. Okay, now if we just refresh this, so we can see here our blog. So basically this is a test blog Ionic. From here also you can just visit these blogs, this blog details page basically. Click on this, so you will be seeing test blog Ionic. Hello, this is a blog Ionic, and like this. If you click view, I'm basically what I'm doing, I'm just I'm clicking this via control and clicking on the mouse. So if you need to open link in new tab, you just click on this, right click on mouse, and simply click open link in new tab. So this post we can see here, test blog Angular. Hello, this is a test blog Angular from Angular category, and leave a reply, logged in as admin, logged out, comment. So basically any user, an anonymous user or any of the users can comment on your post. You can also disable this part. If you want, if you would like to disable this comment section, you can simply do this from here. Discussions, if you just simply uncheck and update and again view this post, Now you will be seeing that the comment section has gone. So like this, if you don't want for some particular post that don't need commenting on this, you can simply uncheck here. All right, coming to all posts. Okay, we can see here all posts here. Now if we need to see that all three posts how it looks in our website, so it is looking like this. So basically what I did earlier, from settings, reading, I just select this, your latest post as a home page. It is basically I have selected your latest post as a home page. If you don't want this, like if you need to add here a link blog and would like to show all these posts in that particular page, so let's do this. How we can achieve this? Static page, it will be our home page. Just select post page, which is a blog page, save changes. And now coming to our pages, this is our blog post page, and if you can see that the blog is not visible here, what we can do simply here, it's basically a menu. Just click on menus under appearance, simply search for blog here, just click on this or just select, click on add to menu. We can see here blog is here. Now just drag it here, it should be a good order. Now simply refresh. Now you can see a blog, you can see here. Oh, see, this is my home page basically. If we just click on our blog page, now we can see here all these three posts here, and if I just click on any one of the post, I will be just redirecting this to this description for this particular blog. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. You must have learned. If you have any problem in doing this, you can just write it down in my comment box, and later on I will be creating creating new tutorials where you can just simply post your questions, and I will be uh, answering for that questions. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will like it, and please do like and subscribe, because I will get you later new WordPress tutorials in a very easy steps and in a very better way.